Let's discuss about data binding in Angular forms. So to achieve data binding in Angular forms, we need to make use of ngForm directive. So if we want to use ngForm directive, first thing what we need to do is we need to open appmodule.ts. We can make use of ngForm directive by importing forms module in app.module.ts. So inside app.module.ts, let's import forms module. Okay, and we need to write import statement over here. Import forms module from Angular / forms. Okay, now we have successfully imported Angular forms, that is forms module. What is the use of using ngForm directive? This ngForm directive, which comes from forms module, gives valuable information about our forms. Whenever Angular sees this directive, it will create an instance of ngForm. So we can make use of this ngForm directive by creating a template reference variable. So let's do that next. So inside template driven form component.html, so inside this we have form created over here. So for this form we need to create a template reference variable by using pound, that is hash form equals ngForm. Okay, ngForm. Now we have created a template reference variable which is equals to ngForm. So what is the use of creating this template reference variable? So whenever we are creating this reference for ngForm, this will provide us access to ngForm object. To use this variable, we can place it in markup like double curly braces. For example, we can make use of double curly braces for interpolation, and we are going to pipe that object with JSON filter. So what is the reference which we have provided here? That is, for example, form, right? So form dot value, okay, pipe JSON. So what is the use of creating pipe JSON over here? Whenever we are using like this, the JSON filter will format for us in a readable format to see properties and values. If we are not specifying pipe JSON, we can see only the object. We cannot see the value of the object. So if we want to get the value of this ngForm object, then we need to make use of pipe JSON. Okay, let's execute this and check how it will appear on our web page by using npm start. It's getting compiled. It's compiled successfully. Now if you open the browser, the web page, you can see that is curly braces which are appearing over here. So whenever I am entering a value in this field, this should get updated. But here in this case, what is happening, whenever I am updating this value or any checkbox or any radio button or some value, whatever the value we are updating over here should be captured in this. That is the use of this variable, right? But why it's not happening in this case? It's because we need to make use of another directive, that is ngModel directive, which is responsible for capturing whenever we make changes, whenever we update the fields in our form, it will capture those values and it will store in this object, that is ngForm. So this is how we can make use of ngForm directive. Okay, so what we have done so far, we have imported this ngForm directive by importing forms module over here, okay, which will give valuable information about our forms. What will Angular do is it will create an instance of this ngForm. Then we can make use of template reference variable hash form equals ngForm here, which will provide access for this ngForm object. To use this variable, we need to make use of interpolation concept, that is by using double curly braces and specifying the name of this template reference variable dot value pipe with JSON, so that the value which appears on our web page will be in a readable format. But in this case, the value is not appearing and we are getting blank inside this curly brace. It's because we have not made use of ngModel directive, which is responsible for capturing the updated values which we are providing in the fields. Whenever we are updating the fields, those values will be captured by making use of ngModel directive. So let's understand about ngModel directive in the next video. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Please like, comment and share this video, and kindly subscribe to my channel in order to watch more videos.